One of her niece tell me she and him and his friend never to know Sandra there with a man there, with Delfred, and catch them yesterday on top bed. I telling everybody what this woman do me. In the space of 5 months since I've been working with the security guard company, all of my money going into this woman, make sure she home they go. If they have to take a survey right now and go by this woman home and come by my home, they go say no, she wicked. When you watch that woman home like the house this dumbbell.
Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and click on another video. Now, somebody send this in the WhatsApp group, Jamaica First WhatsApp group. This is young man. Believe it or not, I am older than Ivan. Ivan look like my grandfather to blow out. And I am not knocking him, But this lady played him. And I'm actually disgusted by it. A lot of people, make memes out of it, say justice for Ivan. But it's things like this why you have so much domestic violence going on in Jamaica and Trinidad and places like these. Listen to what she do to Ivan, yo. And I'm really, really upset about it. But me just have to give my thought and let Ivan know how me feel about this. Cause I say I have to do a video about Ivan and giving this girl all this fucking money, yo. I don't know what's wrong with Ivan. Come on, let's go.
Wednesday I give her $500 in she hand. And Thursday I have to go back by the supermarket again and buy things for this woman. And give she them Friday. Friday again, evening, I go down the road, buy a family size jug of Clorox and give it to Sandra. I have the Clorox now and just a mind say, Ivan, this woman is doing something to you and I have to see it, spending too much money on this woman. And this woman is doing something, carry that Clorox down by this woman. And yesterday, I left from home to carry the Clorox. And my surprise, I catch Sandra and the next man on top bed. Naked as them band, a guy they call Delfred.
So basically, he's giving Sandra his money. And Sandra is playing him. And our next man a fuck it. Delfred. Now, it looked like to me, Ivan, him have low self-esteem. And he might think him ugly and can't get a girl, my youth. I don't know. But I don't like it. Now, I have been in those kind of situations before. Where I'ma tell you guys what a girl do to me. Let's watch this other part of this and then I'll tell you what this girl do to me.
So I want to tell people out there, the way how some woman just feel. Why taking things from a man? Why a man working so hard for a woman and next thing they're saying, oh, me love you. And you're making ends meet when you cannot pay your bill, when sometimes my bill can't pay. I make sure this woman bill could pay. She have ghost. I tell she many times, I say what? I prefer when you attack, you tell me, you got thing out the alley, you're hungry, you got thing out the food, you know if you know if you go eat, than to tell me you're hungry and you not got nothing. And when this woman done me yesterday, it was a natural disgrace to me. Calling her phone, she don't want to answer the phone. And this woman have a next man they call Delfred, Mr. Delfred, on top bed and telling me she don't like man, they buy she.
Me I listen this thing and Ivan, him not stupid, He's just like me. But him have to sharpen up because I'm a 49 dog. Now, she tell him she don't want a man sleep at her house because of whatever reason. And I believe her. Me too. Enough man call me now. Man call me now and tell me all sort of thing, and borrow all my money, that. You have a youth, borrow my money. You have another youth, I send him some money. And the man them flip for me. Because I'm naive. If a man tell me, say, listen, Ray, but, like me say, me I get better with that as me move along and get older, and I think Ivan need to check that too.
She don't want no man sleep there with she, and I working hard and support Sandra. Sandra working by jobs and all Sandra money. I don't look on that because I believe to myself when a man there with a woman, he start to show the woman. He's the one who take care, and long as the woman is serious, he take care of man because he see that the man taking care of her. And I have to share this for the whole world.
You know me deal with that situation, Cause certain things me not like. Me no want no free pussy. Me nah fuck no girl. I no give them nothing. You understand? So me agree with Ivan. But what Ivan needs to do right now, you need to back off. And once you back off, she go call you. Don't get mad. Don't get none of that. They can still help her out, but it a go be on your terms. Yeah, make sure know, so listen. Me I bring the Clorox. I may have this and that, but me want you skin out the pussy. You understand? And I saw you have to deal with it. You can't get this, but you have to skin out the pussy. I'm want the pussy skin out right behind the house. Anyway, don't even go on her bed, my youth. When you come, you tell her, listen, make me and you talk around her back. And when you go around at the back of the house, you jack up that and fling some cocky on it. Give her Clorox and go on about her business. So yeah, still deal with her, cause she still a go want the money. That me I tell you. Me I tell you things where me go through, Still a go want the money, but listen, this time, me now come at your house, you now come at my house. You know what? Me a fuck in my car. And anybody when no countryman knows say so me blood clot stay. So that Ivan need to do. Lean back. Now, I'm gonna put together a crew of people who has been wreaking havoc on St. Lucia. Now, Mr. Leanback, I know of about 3 murders that he's responsible for. And guess what? He's still on the street. He's still out there. He's scamming. And how do I know this? This video is coming soon, and it is gonna be one of a series of video on St. Lucia and the 6 and the 7 gang down in St. Lucia and the corruption with the politician. So stay tuned, coming soon.
To know right here I hurt with what this woman do me. Catch she with her next man yesterday. All the time she's telling me she and him and his friend. One of her niece tell me she and him and his friend. Never to know Sandra there with a man there, with Delfred, and catch them yesterday on top bed. I telling everybody what this woman do me. In the space of 5 months since I've been working with the security guard company, all of my money going into this woman, make sure she home they go. If they have to take a survey right now and go by this woman home and come by my home, they go say no, she wicked. When you watch that woman home like the house this dumbbell. Eh? And I have to make people to know because I am hurt. I want the woman them out there to know. Don't take nothing from man and you don't love the man. If you want your man to be friend, tell the man watch. If you don't want us to be friendly, we stop this because I don't want you as a man. Don't tell the man yes you want him. And next thing the man walk in, sun and rain, hard, to make ends meet with you. And next thing you want to do that. Every time, I just do it sometime on a weekend. They are telling Sandra, Sandra, let me come down by you for buy lunch. For eat some lunch, sorry, for eat some lunch with you. No, no, you can't come, timing. All of the I tell Sandra, say Sandra, old people have a lot to say, and man, old people say, moon does run until they catch up. She asked me why I said that. I said that is a problem that you have to unfold. Moon does run until they catch up. And yesterday, I kept Sandra with what Sandra do. So I want the whole world outlet to know. I ain't telling no lie on how she working by jacks. And all of my salary. Eh? I wait so far and give this woman my bank card. Oh, I've been believing this woman, tell myself I found love. This is the time so I supposed to be happy in life and live the life that I know pleasing God. And this
Why, Ivan, I saw it go like me say, me know it kinda hurt and thing, but look on all me. My baby mother, me buy her about 10 car to blood clot. You hear me? 10. Every time she mash up her car, I buy one. Every time she mash up her car, I buy one. You understand what me and her used to talk? I used to be together. And, yo, she end up, she leg up, and she start fuck a bottom feed a boy. And me see the boy all drive the car when me buy her. Until them drive it on the rims. So till me see them start walk. She and the boy, and she have another baby for the boy. Everywhere you see them a push the baby in a stroller. Me I say blood clot, them I walk you see man. But yeah, it been there, done that dog. Been there, done that. Now me wanna make it clear, all when me and her break up, me still buy her car. The last car me buy her, you understand? Me see the bottom feed her drive it, me not say nothing. She bring the baby go school couple times. Then me hear say the bottom feeder and him friend them in a high speed chase and crash her car. Him crash about 2 or 3 her car. Yeah, just for the baby. You understand? So Ivan, believe me.
and this woman very hurt me, and I say I'm gonna post this that the whole world could see. Woman, don't take nothing from man, and I don't want him, man. Right now, I will tell the whole world the truth. My light could cut off anytime. Coats could come for the fridge anytime. So because I make sacrifice for this woman, Sandra Matthews from Kittles, and leave my bills of them outstanding. Just to make sure everything is alright with her. If I got tongue 10 times in a week, she could tell anybody she fought, and the workers them could say that too. I will call her and say, babes of the tongue, you want something to eat? You're going to need some snacks to crunch pan later on. Sometimes I used to tell she, don't carry no food to work because I do. I'm going to do this for you. I'm going to just fry some fish and make some salad for you. And carry it for that woman. And this woman turned around and have Delfred on her fushy bed last night. Carry the jug of Clorox. She's telling me leave it on the porch. She busy. So I want the world to know what Sandra Matthews do Ivan Samuel James. She's a wicked. And she must learn to realize what your handout is where does get, because she have 2 boy child. And she ain't gonna like a woman with 3 boy child lad. And she's a woman and done me that. But I will tell you all the truth. I'm strong. And I believe in God, although I know I don't live the 100% for it. Because if it wasn't for God, I ain't with a seat. We're going down all the time. That is my message to send out there to the woman them. Don't take no money from no man and you don't want him, man. Don't make a man a work and a give majority his salary. And you don't want him, man. It's hurt and it's painful. Have a blessed day.
Well, we want justice for Ivan, you know. Because, like I say, Ivan is a nice youth. Him little bit naive like me. And him just take you at face value and take you for what you're worth. You understand? and she play upon the man kindness. Now me see some picture float around in the group. I wanna know if that's the real Sandra. So me I go double check, and if it's the real Sandra, me I make a video about her. Now listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. And we want justice for Ivan, yo. We want justice for Ivan because Jano, it hurt. It hurt him, yo. I'm out.